Local news for Tuesday the 5th of December. Wairarapa MP Alistair Scott says the Wairarapa is being held back by the lack of collective action between Transdev, Greater Wellington Regional Council and the government to find long-term solutions to our rail woes. He says the lack of reliability is frustrating for Wairarapa commuters who depend on trains to get to work and school every day. The Wairarapa recorded a lift in asking prices of 3% up to $407,400, while November dominated the lifted listings by volume in November. Other regions recorded high percentage level increases compared to November last year. And in sport, the Wairarapa men's cricket team have beaten Manawatu in the third round of the Furlong Cup last weekend. Winning on first innings, Daniel Ingham claimed a 5-wicket bag with 5 for 45 and Brock Price scoring a century.